Today we are at Disney Springs and we're headed to the Rainforest Cafe, one of my favorite places to eat. It is so beautiful here. Look at the waterfall. I just love the animals and just the atmosphere. It really immerses you into the jungle. This one and the T-Rex are fantastic. And I always find that it's less crowded than the T-Rex is, so we usually end up eating at the Rainforest instead of the T-Rex for that reason, because it's easier to get into. Look at all the parrots and the exotic birds and the mushroom. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? It's a mushroom bar. And there's so many different things that you can purchase for your little ones here. There's a dory fish.
Oh, okay. Is that another one?
And here we go. It's a very loud place to eat, but it's so worth it. The theming is amazing. Huge butterflies that actually move. All of the animals that make noises. Even the ceiling is decorated.
Just see it right here.
Anywhere that you get seated in this place is going to be decorated just everywhere. Here's a glimpse of the menu. If you need to pause it, go ahead and pause it at any time. This place can be a little pricey, but I usually will split with my sister and we just eat half of whatever we order, so. Just make sure you're hungry when you come here. And it's time for some lightning to be striking. Uh-oh. Ever so often the animals will get in an uproar and they just start making all kinds of noises. And then you get the lightning in the sky, and it's just total chaos. And then it quiets back down. They also have another location at Animal Kingdom. So if you're going to that park, you can eat over there. But here's what we got. We've got French fries and the chicken quesadilla. Now, we did get the chicken quesadilla without the chicken, because neither one of us eat chicken. But we split it, and this is about how much we got each of it. And the French fries were tasty. They were crispy. And look how good that looks. There's a close-up of it right there. So good. It has pico. We got roasted red peppers in it, and that was so good. They will change things for you if you specifically ask them for this or that. Then they usually cater to you. And then here's the merry-go-round. And Donald. I love Donald. I've always loved Donald. So I had to get him on video. Oh, listen. And then we had to stop by Swirls on the water to taste the Dole Whip flight because we always want one, but we never get one. So today we decided, why not? Let's try it. Every time that lady would bring them out, I would think that was ours, but both times it wasn't. But we finally did get ours. And here's what it looks like. I think that one was strawberry and lime. Then there was orange and strawberry and pineapple and vanilla.
It's tart. That was delicious. Showing him this. I'm just showing how it melts.
Subscribe to my channel, guys. See where we go next.